right, we're back. Mary's here again. Thanks, Mary. We're standing in front of different pieces of Merco equipment.
Yes.
What are these?
These are what we call hot holding cabinets. So
Okay.
these will hold, just like we had our crispy fried foods in bulk storage over there. These are for smaller amounts, either 1/3 size trays on up to hotel pan sized, full size trays. We can also hold crispy fried foods here, but we also hold proteins, juicy proteins like hamburgers or grilled chicken or fish, salmon, things like that, bacon, sausage, breakfast items, things like that, yeah.
So, and this is really a trend right now in the industry. In the last 10 years, I've seen these more and more companies trying to come out with this, but ours is better. Right?
Right, of course.
Well, why? Because?
So Merco always tries to have the best of the best.
Of course.
The innovation, the newest features and technology.
Your eggs are done.
One of the things, yes, they are. It'll sit there. The magic of it is it'll sit there and it'll tell me how long they've been sitting there.
Really?
So, yeah. So with our touchscreens, it gives us a lot of different options. You can do on-screen programming. You can go into the menus and program your items. You can do all different things. Set all of these different items can be changed on screen, or they can be set up on our online Menu Connect application, and you can upload to the machine either through our handy dandy USB port, or if you have a touchscreen model, they are Wi-Fi capable, so they could connect up to our Kitchen Connect cloud, and you could push menus remotely to all of your cabinets.
Right, so if they have an LTO or something at a chain, and they're like, hey, we need to have this, instead of having them going in and program it, they can just push it via Wi-Fi.
Absolutely, yeah.
Awesome.
So one of the other features that this cabinet has is our latest technology called tray tracking technology. So this is something that Merco has had for a number of years. We're actually on our third iteration of improvements, and we don't think that anyone in the competition has anything anywhere close to it. So it offers you a lot of different features. One of the main features you get for it, and tray tracking technology is when we've got our custom pans that were designed by Cambro. They have an RFID chip that's embedded into the tray. They're ultrasonically welded into place, so they're waterproof. They can go in the dishwasher. They're not going to break. They're not going to leak. And what happens when you put it into the cabinet, so I'm going to put this into a sausage spot, it's going to automatically start that timer for me. So I didn't have to push any buttons on here.
Right.
So that's a great training aid for the turnover in labor that people are seeing. You've got younger workforce, you've got people changing jobs all the time, you've got fewer people to do the work. So the less they have to do, the easier it is on them. So you'll notice that this turned gray whenever it started the timer. Normally they would turn green. Let's put the mixed vegetables in and start it. So they normally turn green. So the reason these other ones turn gray is because we've got another tray of that same food somewhere else. So we manage your first in, first out capabilities. You don't see those other food items in this cabinet, so they must be somewhere else in the system.
I wonder where they could be.
I wonder. Well, if you look here, so this tells you by pressing your Wi-Fi symbol, tells you that you've got two cabinets that are connected. They're talking to each other. So they're operating as one big system rather than two individual cabinets. So that other mac and cheese and that other sausage are over here. So we've got a mac and cheese here and a sausage
24
here.
minutes and 30 minutes left.
Right. So what if I need the sausage over here instead? Let's cancel this one out. Say this one's empty, we'll get rid of it. I need sausage over here. Tug, can I have some sausage?
Sure. Am I pulling sausage out of this?
Just pull the sausage out of there.
There we go.
And you've got, what, 24 minutes left on there?
24 minutes on that one.
If I would just have two independent cabinets, this would have to start a new 30-minute timer. By having the tray tracking, it's keeping the time that was on that sausage in your cabinet, and it transfers it over to here. So you never lose track of your holding time. So for customers that are very concerned about quality and hold times, this is the perfect solution for them.
This is awesome. I love this stuff. All right. Thank you guys for joining us. If you have any questions, if you want to see any of this stuff, reach out to us. We would love to play and have Mary come and show you guys the amazingness that is Merco. Thanks, Mary.
Thank you.